Hi, I'm Kevin, and this is a Kevin's Shop video. Okay, I'm going to now replace this harmonic balancer on my 1973 Toyota FJ40, and we need to line up the keyway with this key that's on the shaft. And I'm going to use this driver that I've made for the small timing gear. It fits nicely inside here, right within these rivets. And there we go, we've got it seated down onto the shoulder of the crankshaft. Okay, I'm going to install this nut and a tab washer on the vibration dampener. This tab washer came flat and I had to bend up this tab. And this tab engages into the keyway that the vibration dampener has. So I'm going to place that up there, and it kind of locks into that keyway. And then you can install the nut here. We'll thread that on there. And then I'm going to use this brace that I made to hold the pulley so that I can put the 144 foot-pounds of torque on it. This has a long arm on it that I'm going to put on the underside of the frame. And then these bolts thread into the pulley itself. And this is a 45 millimeter socket that I'll use to torque the nut. Okay, and then I've set the torque wrench to 144 foot-pounds. And there we've got the 144 foot-pounds torque on that nut.